campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Keystone Cougar 368MBI Midnight Edition. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified when we post a new video. Now, let's get started. Starting out with our front cap, as you can see, this thing is absolutely gorgeous, and it does come in two colors. You can get the black onyx or the phantom gray. This one that we're looking at right now is the phantom gray. It's a beautiful charcoal color, and you can really see how much those blue lights pop on this. They do have blue accent lighting on the front cap and on the side. It just really pops against that black and that gray color, which I really do like. We also do have a couple more upgrades to this thing. We do have an anti-locking brake system, and you can see over here we do have slide toppers. Most Cougars do come with slide toppers. It's just to protect that slide in those cold winter months, and this one does come with the slide toppers as well, but if one doesn't, you can add that on with purchase. And this also does have lithium batteries in it, and it also does come with a second AC. Most campers only have one, but this thing actually comes with two, which is a nice plus for the summertime. Now, let's check out your entertainment side. On our outdoor entertainment side, we do have two awnings, and you can really see those slide toppers out here. Also underneath our awnings, we do have blue LED strips. You can't really see it because the sun is pretty shiny in Cookeville today, but those are really bright and they pop against that black color. And also, you can't really tell, but on your indoor-outdoor speaker system, there is a blue light on that as well. So when it is dark outside, you're really going to be able to see your speakers and those LED strips. Another upgrade out here, we do have frameless windows, and we do have a safety rail out here as well. So that's going to help people with mobility issues really get inside of the camper with ease. Now, let's check out our storage. Before we check out our storage space, out here on our entertainment side, you actually do have a griddle, perfect to throw some burgers on and cook while you're out here having a party. In the front of your Cougar, you do have your massive pass-through storage space. As y'all can see, I can spread my arms all the way out, and I do have lots of room down here. We also do have an easy to clean out floor, and it does have a grip surface. So if you store some things down here, it's not gonna move around while you're out on the road. We also do have a couple lights down here, including one normal light over there and an LED strip on this side to keep things nice and bright. Over on that side, also, you do have your convenience bay with all the hookups you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. When you first walk into your Cougar, right up the stairs to our right-hand side is our in-command touchscreen control panel. This is where you're gonna control all of those lights, awnings, and your slides. Moving on over here, we do have this nice little ladder that easily moves down to allow you to access this bunk area. This bunk is huge. You could easily fit multiple adults up here and plenty of children. They do have a little storage space there in the back, or if you don't have anybody that needs to use this as a bed, you can also use this as a storage space because you're going to be able to fit lots of things up there. Down the steps to our right across from our entryway, is this little mudroom area. You do have a cork board, so if you want to throw a little invitation right there, you can put that there. You have a space for all of your keys, and you also have a place to put your jackets, umbrellas, and other items right there. Now, let's check out the rest of this camper. Starting out with our kitchen, you can see how gorgeous this kitchen is, and over to my right-hand side, we do have a little pantry area. So this opens up, giving you tons of space to put all of your groceries in. There's tons of storage area. You could definitely throw some full-size cereal boxes and lots of canned goods, as well as some dog food down in the bottom. Right beside of that, we do have our Furrion fridge. This varies from model to model, so definitely check with your dealership. But this opens up, giving you lots of space. You do have a freezer area as well as your fridge area, and you're gonna be able to store all of your items in there. Right beside of our fridge, we do have our little cooking area. Right here, we do have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard on it. Below that, we do have an oven, and they've given you a drawer underneath that for your pots and pans. Above that, we do have some more space, and I love how the little accent wall does carry on up into that area, which is nice. Over to the side of our microwave, we do have a little spice area. You can definitely put all of your salt, pepper, paprika in there, so it's easily can be grabbed right by your stovetop. And over here, we do actually have this pulls up, giving you lots of plugins. So if you did want to throw maybe a small coffee machine back there or an air fryer, it'll fit right there, and it can easily be plugged up. And you also do have this space right here, you could definitely throw more pots and pans in there, or if you wanted to put some smaller plates and platters, you could put it in there as well. Now, let's check out your island. Right above our island, we do have this accent feature right here for your lights. It is gorgeous, just kind of makes it feel a little bit more homey in here. And then down below that is our island. You have tons of countertop space on this, so if you do want to set some things there while you're cooking, you have plenty of room for it. And they've given you a drying rack above your sink, and your sink is a double sink, so you can put dirty dishes in one side and clean in the other, or rinse your vegetables in one side and have stuff in the other. And you do have a retractable sink nozzle as well. And on the side of our island, we do have a massive storage space underneath that sink. You could definitely put a full-size trash bag in there, and you could put some cleaning items as well. On the other side, you do have 3 drawers, and in that top drawer, they've even given you a little tray to put all of your silverware in, and the 2 drawers underneath are just an extra little catch-all area. Now, let's check out the living room. In our living area, we do have a theater seating option over here. This does come with 2 cup holders that do have lights in them, so when it's dark in here, you can turn those on and easily see your drinks. You do have a small little storage area right here. You could definitely put all of your remotes to kind of stay in one place right there. Also, people mostly ask if these do recline, and they do. You have a small little pulley on both sides right here, and that does pull up and let those recline. And they're made specifically for campers, so you're not going to knock that window out behind you, which is a very nice plus. We also do have some little controls right here, as well as a USB port, so you can plug your phone in while you're sitting here watching a movie. Over on this side, we do have another couch. This is a very comfortable couch, perfect to watch your TV from, and it actually does roll over into a sleeping space. So if you have some extra guests at the campground, they're gonna have a place to sleep. And they also do have a place to store their bags, because up here we do have multiple storage spaces. You can easily put some bags up there, or if you just want some extra blankets and pillows, you can definitely put that up there as well. And on both sides of the couch, you do have this little table. This is perfect to put a plate of food on if you want to eat right here, or if you want to have a small little puzzle going on right here, you can do that. And there is some storage underneath, as well as a USB and USB-C port and an electrical outlet, so you can charge your computer and your phones from right here as well. Now, let's take a look at your entertainment space. Across from your theater seats is your entertainment space, and over here they've given you this massive TV. You're definitely going to be able to watch the game or a great movie right from your camper with this thing. We also do have plenty of storage. Up above here we do have this storage compartment, and you also do have your indoor-outdoor speaker system right there. And below this, they've actually given you this massive drawer. I love this because you're going to be able to throw all of your things in here. If you want to pile some board games in there or some video games and movies, you're going to have tons of space to do that. And below that, we do have our fireplace. It's getting pretty cold here in Cookeville, so I wish I could turn that on to heat this camper up. Or if you just want to use that as a light setting, it actually works for that as well. And there actually is a secret storage space behind this TV. This TV is on a swivel, so you can pull it out and move it so you can see it from the camper. And there actually is a couple little shelves back there as well, so that's a nice little hidden storage space. Now, let's check out your dinette. Right beside your theater seats is your dinette. This is the perfect area to eat a dinner as a family. I'm sitting here and I have plenty of room beside me and lots of elbow space to eat dinner. You also do have a couple windows so you can get those nice views while you're eating. Or if you have a couple added guests, this actually goes down and these cushions come out, making this another sleeping space. Now, check out the bunk room. You have a main bunk room, and it's actually underneath that bunk I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. This is a perfect area if you have some kids and they want to have their own space, or if you work from home and you need a little office room. This is nice and secluded. Down here we do have this couch, and it actually rolls over into a sleeping space. You even have a window, and there's a ton of storage, so let's change views and check it out. Across from the couch, we have this massive storage area. This has 3 shelves in here, so you could easily fold up some pajamas or towels and put it in there. You also do have a couple drawers underneath. You could definitely fold up some sheets right there. Right beside of that, we do have a TV backer location. So if you do want to add a TV in here and make this kind of like a little movie room, you can do that. Or like I said, if you're a remote worker and need a place to work, this also could work as a little desk area. Just throw a little chair right here and you can use that as a work from home station. You also do have some storage underneath that and some overhead storage for all of your office supplies and other items. Now, check out the bathroom. In the bathroom, we do have a nice medicine cabinet right here, and it actually opens up, giving you a couple shelves in there. Perfect to put all of your toiletries. Beneath that, you do have a sink with a lot of countertop space. You do have an electrical outlet over there, so if you want to put an electric shaver or an electric toothbrush that you plug in, that's the good area for that. Down below that, we do have a good amount of storage. This opens up, giving you space for your cleaning supplies, and you have a couple drawers over here. You can add some things in as well. On the other side, we do have our step to flush toilet with a little bit of storage right beside of it. This opens up, giving you the best space to put all of your bath towels or your bath robes. You do have a place to hang up your towel as well. And then I'm standing in the best part of this bathroom, which is the shower. It is a very good amount of shower space in here, and you actually do have a skylight, so you're getting that natural light as well. We have a seat over to my right hand side, and on my left hand side, we have a couple built-in shelves for your soap and your shampoo and conditioner, and you actually do have a detachable shower head as well. Now, let's check out the private bedroom. In the front of your Cougar, you do have your private bedroom. In here, they've given you a king-size bed, and you do have a couple of shelves behind you. So if you want to set your reading glasses or your CPAP machine up on those when you go to bed, you have that space to do so. On your right-hand side, you do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port, so you can plug in all of your tablets and your phones. Over to my left-hand side, we do have tons of storage, so let's check it out. Right beside of the bed, you do have this massive closet, and you can see they've given you an area to put all of your hangers in, so you can hang up all of your clothes. We also do have this little area over here to put your hamper on, and you do have a shelf behind me, perfect to throw your bags and put your shoes underneath. You also do have an electrical outlet and another USB and USB-C port, so if you want to plug some things back here, you can do that as well. We also do have another closet space right here. They've given you some shelves in here, or if you do want to remove those shelves, this closet is actually washer dryer prepped, so you can add a washer and dryer in here. And you also do have one more storage spot, so let's check it out. Right across from your bed, you do have your dresser area. Up top, we do have two small drawers, perfect for your socks and underwear, and below that, you do have two larger drawers. This is great to put your larger items in, like your pajamas and your other clothes. And you actually do have a secret storage space. This top part pulls back, giving you this nice little hidden area. This is where you can put some valuables like your jewelry and other items to keep them out of the way. So if you like this unit or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.